The Widitn 2025 electric pressure washer offers powerful cleaning with its 2,600 pounds per square inch of pressure and 1.76 gallons per minute of water flow, making it perfect for tackling tough grime on various surfaces. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles, this pressure washer provides versatility for different cleaning tasks, and the included foam cannon enhances the washing experience by delivering rich foam for a professional finish. The pressure washer's 25-foot kink-resistant hose and 35-foot power cord offer extended reach, ensuring convenience and flexibility while cleaning large areas or distant spots. With an all-in-one storage solution, this electric pressure washer keeps all accessories organized and easy to access, while its compact and lightweight design makes it simple to store and transport. Designed for durability, the Widitn 2025 features a pump that automatically shuts off to conserve energy and extend its life. And it includes a child-safe lock on the gun handle for added safety. The upgraded stainless steel gun and metal connectors enhance the pressure washer's resilience, preventing leaks and ensuring reliable performance during heavy-duty use.